9. Evidence-based health benefits of incorporating oats and oatmeal into your diet. Oats are celebrated as a remarkably nutritious, naturally gluten-free whole grain, brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and potent antioxidants. A primary advantage of oats is their impressive nutritional profile. They offer a substantial source of complex carbohydrates, a significant amount of fiber, including the powerful beta-glucan, and high-quality protein. Furthermore, oats are packed with vital vitamins and minerals, such as manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. They are also notably rich in unique antioxidants, particularly avenanthramides, which play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation throughout the body. The soluble fiber beta-glucan, abundant in oats, is a cornerstone of their health benefits. It is highly effective in lowering both total and LDL bad cholesterol levels, thereby contributing to cardiovascular health. This fiber also significantly improves blood sugar control, making oats an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes or seeking stable energy levels. Moreover, beta-glucan promotes a prolonged feeling of fullness, which can be highly beneficial for weight management. Beyond internal health, finely ground oats, known as colloidal oatmeal, are widely recognized for their skin-soothing properties, effectively alleviating itchiness and irritation. Research also suggests that the early introduction of oats in a child's diet may decrease the risk of developing childhood asthma. Additionally, oat bran, a component of oats, is a well-known remedy for relieving constipation. In summary, the article underscores that oats are among the most nutrient-dense foods available and can be effortlessly integrated into various meals for profound health advantages.